Red bananas are a unique and highly valued variety known for their reddish-purple skin, creamy texture, and naturally sweet flavor. In this video, we will explore the complete modern farming process of growing red bananas, starting from land preparation and planting, all the way to plant care, succession management, and harvesting. This guide is designed for farmers, growers, and viewers who want a clear and practical understanding of red banana cultivation. Successful red banana farming begins with choosing the right location. A well-drained area with fertile, loamy soil is ideal. The plants perform best in warm climates with gentle sunlight and protection from strong winds. Before planting, the soil must be prepared carefully to support healthy root growth. To create the ideal growing environment, coconut coir is mixed thoroughly with organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. A drainage grid or coarse material is also added to prevent waterlogging. This balanced mixture improves aeration, retains moisture, and supplies essential nutrients to the developing plant. Once the soil is ready, excavation begins. The planting zone is marked clearly and extends beyond the ridgeline to allow enough space for root expansion. In modern farming systems, updated grid coordinates are stored on tablets to maintain accurate spacing and alignment across the field. Proper spacing ensures good airflow, sunlight penetration, and easier movement during maintenance and harvesting. Planting the red banana sucker requires attention to detail. Each sucker is placed upright in the pit, with the roots spread evenly. Watering should always be directed toward the roots, and not the stem, as excess moisture on the stem can cause rot and disease. The plant must remain level with the soil line, neither buried too deep nor left exposed. The soil is then gently pressed around the base to provide support and remove air pockets. After planting, a thick layer of mulch is applied around the base of the plant. Beneath this mulch lies the natural fertility of the red banana ecosystem. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, suppress weed growth, and slowly enrich the soil as the organic material breaks down. This practice plays a key role in sustainable and organic farming systems. The red banana plant, often known as the red Dhaka variety, can be identified by a subtle purplish blush at the base of the petiole. This visual characteristic helps farmers confirm the variety and monitor plant health. These plants grow especially well in the cool, soft light of early morning, which supports steady and balanced development.